All right, guys, gingerbread cookie balls. Here we go. Take one. All right, this I thought of myself because I had leftover gingerbread cookies. As you can see, they're even got decorations on them. I chopped them up, just cut them up a little bit. How cute. That's half of him. And I am going to put them in food processor. I have a small one here. I have a big one, but we're just going to do it in sections. So, let me get that started. They're kind of chewy, but I'm hoping that this food processor will mix them up because they're not really that hard, but they sound like they might be. We'll just put a few in there and
see if it works.
We'll get this going. It's not going to work until I actually turn it on down there, so I do know I haven't turned it on yet. Ta-da! Usually I forget. All right, let's see if this works. Kind of loud, isn't it?
It looks like it's going to work.
All right, we're going to chop that up some more because I don't want you to have to listen to this noise the whole time. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, I've got my cookies chopped up. I didn't chop them up real fine. There's some that is, and then some that are little pieces because I wanted some pieces in it. And I have a half a block of softened cream cheese. I don't know yet if I'm going to need more, so this is trial and error, okay? So here we go. And if you do it, it depends on how many gingerbread men you use. I don't know how many I had, so each one's going to be different. Just get it to the consistency that it forms a ball. You don't need any spices because your gingerbread has already got all the spices in it. Let's see if we can get this all mixed up. Like I said, I think I'm going to need a little bit more cream cheese maybe.
That's what I'm thinking.
Well, let's see what we got. It's starting to form together here. It smells good. It smells gingerbread. Yeah, guys, sometimes you have gingerbread men left over from cookie trays. And you made cookies and you have them. And these were all decorated, remember? They still had all the icing little faces and stuff on them. I did take the M&Ms off because I had those on for belly buttons. Or buttons. Belly buttons. For buttons. Okay. I think it might be sticking together. All right, so let's pause here for a second and I'm going to check it and see what we got. All right, guys, I did use another ounce of cream cheese. So we got that in here and now we've formed a dough. And I'm just going to use my little cookie scoop and put them out here. And then we are going to dip them in either white chocolate or semi-sweet or dark chocolate, whatever you want. You could just even put powdered sugar on them if you want. And we'll put them on here, and then before I dip them, I'm going to actually roll them. But I'm trying to get them all about the same size with my cookie scoop. This is my little cookie scoop. And guys, as far as getting it to where it needs to be, I don't know how many ounces or what gingerbread cookies I used, but you just want it to be together, moist enough to stick together. So whenever you roll them and dip them, that it stays in one piece.
So it forms a ball.
Yep.
Hence, gingerbread balls.
Gingerbread men bowls.
Yeah, that.
All right, guys, we're going to get these out, and then I'll get the chocolate out and dip them, and we'll show you. All right, guys, I dipped a few of them right here. We're just using almond bark. The vanilla coating is what I'm using from Kroger, is the one I like the best. Tastes delicious. Tastes like vanilla. And then I've got some sprinkles here I just put on top of them. So we're just dipping them in here. and taking our little fork and dropping them on there. And this fork is just a plastic fork that I took the 2 tongs out of the center. Dropping them on there, putting them back on this wax paper, and then we'll decorate them. You put on them what you want. This is what we're getting on these. So we're going to do all of these, and then we'll be back for a taste test. All right, guys, time to taste test. Here's what they look like. And here we go. I like them much better like this than as a cookie. So good.
What's it remind you of?
Well, I never did eat gingerbread cookies before. I'm not like ginger snaps or anything like that because I was always, I don't know if I would like them. I like these. Really good. Or really well. All right, guys. So if you like gingerbread cookies and you have leftovers, even if they have decorations on them, mix that all up. These here are Buckeyes. I'm getting ready to dip them where I had the white chocolate melted. Because he likes white chocolate Buckeyes. And I got the rest of his black walnuts. This has always got left. He likes those on the Buckeyes. So that's what we're doing after we get done here.
Sounds like a Sam Club trip to me.
All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And hype and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.